In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, open an app that you wish to use in this view. Then access it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this square button. Following that, click on the icon of your app at the top and select Open as Window from the pop-up. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. If you wish to use this app in full screen view, click on the top left corner. In order to resize your window, hold one of its bottom corners, pick a perfect size, and let go. If you want to turn your window into a bubble, you can click on this icon of a square with one arrow at the top left corner. And then to access your window, tap on the bubble, or simply click on Home button. Now to close your window, you can drag your bubble to remove section at the bottom, or just click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!